We've all felt that moment of panic, staring at the terminal, about to run a Git command, hoping we don't accidentally break everything. Git is powerful, but it can be complex and unforgiving. That's why we built Git Sensei, an AI assistant that makes Git safe, simple, and smart. First, we made Git safe. If I try to run a dangerous command, Git Sensei acts as an intelligent safety net. It intercepts the command, explains the risk in plain English, and requires explicit confirmation. This simple step is crucial for preventing costly mistakes. Next, we made Git simple. You no longer need to memorize obscure syntax. You can just tell Git Sensei what you want in plain English, and it translates your request into the exact command you need. In our repository, we have a new, untracked file. When I ask it to save my work, a simple translator would suggest git commit, which would fail. But Git Sensei analyzes the repository's context. It sees the untracked file and knows the correct first step is to add it. It doesn't just translate my words, it understands my intent, making it a true AI assistant. So how did we build a tool this robust so quickly? We used Kiro, the AI IDE, with a powerful hybrid strategy that gave us the best of both worlds. For the critical foundation, the safety features, we use spec to code. We planned the entire module up front, providing Kiro with our requirements, design, and a detailed task-by-task implementation plan. Kiro used this complete blueprint to generate a solid, reliable, and testable codebase. This spec-driven approach was essential for building a tool we could trust. But for the creative AI features, we switched to Vibe. We had structured conversations with Kiro, exploring different AI models and prompt engineering strategies. Kiro's code generation was most impressive here. It seamlessly integrated the new AI and context modules into our existing architecture, saving us hours of boilerplate coding. By combining the discipline of spec with the speed of Vibe, Kiro allowed us to bring an idea to life. This is Git Sensei. Thank you.